Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today we have some spoilers for the Ipsy Ultimate bag. Now this is for the month of November. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my Boxy Luxe December spoilers. Congratulations, Laura Dennis. Laura says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Laura. I really appreciate you having your bell on. I thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned toward the end when I do read the comment that I picked. Alright guys, so we're going to just go ahead and dive in. First of all, you've already seen all 3 bags. November's Ipsy bags. And now these are the spoilers again for the Ultimate bag. So the first thing that we got is the Trestique bronzing stick. Now this is valued at $28. And the next thing is the Juice Beauty Stem Cell Serum. This is valued at $80. Can y'all believe that? Oh my goodness. Now the next thing is the Wander Beauty. This is the Wanderous Rush Palette. This is valued at $25. And then next up, now I don't know how to say this. Is it Oribi? I know I'm saying it wrong. Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce anything. Anyways, this is the Scalp Treatment, and this is valued at $48. Last but not least, this is the It Cosmetics. This is the Confidence in a Cleanser, and this is valued at $28. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pop up the rest of the spoilers we have. Now, these are spoilers that can be in all 3 bags. They're not exactly confirmed which bags, which is going in. This is part of the GG Gorgeous collection and the Ipsy collab. They collab together this month for the month of November. So, this is the stuff coming from there. So, anyways, guys, this is all the... Well, it's not all of them, because if you see in this picture here that there's going to be more stuff that is going to be part of that collab with GG Gorgeous and Ipsy. They just have yet to reveal it. And as soon as they do, you know I'm going to let y'all know. You know I got to keep you in the loop. As always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Lucy Tenna. I think that's how you say that. Don't you come after me, Lucy. Lucy says, yay, that palette. That's what I'm screaming, girl. That palette is absolutely gorgeous. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss no more of my uploaded videos. You'll catch all the spoilers, y'all. Y'all know more than everybody else on the internet. And that's it. That's all I got for you right now. And I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.